Unlocking everyday English. Have a great day. Explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common and friendly phrase, have a great day. This phrase is often used in daily conversations, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and its various contexts. Have a great day is a popular phrase used to wish someone a pleasant and enjoyable day. It's often used when parting ways or at the end of a conversation. The word great implies that you hope the person experiences positivity and happiness throughout their day. It's a form of well-wishing, showing kindness and goodwill towards the other person. When to use it. Casual and formal settings. This phrase is versatile and can be used in both casual and formal contexts. Whether you're saying goodbye to a friend or finishing a business meeting, have a great day is appropriate. Parting words. It's typically used as a farewell gesture, making it a common phrase at the end of a conversation. When not to use it. In somber situations, if someone is going through a tough time or the mood is serious, it might not be appropriate to say, have a great day. There are several variations of have a great day that convey similar sentiments. Have a good day, slightly less enthusiastic than great, but still conveys warm wishes. Have a wonderful day adds a touch of extra warmth and enthusiasm. Have an awesome day, more casual and very enthusiastic. In English-speaking cultures, using phrases like, have a great day, is a sign of politeness and friendliness. It reflects a positive attitude and a wish to spread happiness. However, it's important to note that the use of such phrases can vary in frequency and meaning across different cultures and regions. Have a great day is more than just a phrase. It's a way of expressing goodwill and hoping for the best for others. It's a small gesture that can brighten someone's day and improve interactions. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this common English phrase. Keep practicing, and as always, have a great day.